Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick clip about how to take out an EGR from a smart car left from 2009. We're going to use the professional EGR remover software for this. Go under Smart and EDC60. And it's found the EGR map, so click OK, and you can save this as the EGR removed file. And you can close this and you're ready to go. Just open up the folder, make sure you've got the new file here, and that's everything for today. I think I'll upload another video for how to take out the DPF for the smart car as well. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any suggestions, and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you click the bell icon to get regular notifications of our new uploads.